Okay, so I just connected two more little batteries here. So it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 volts. So this will be the highest voltage run I've ever done on my motors. It's kind of scary. Going faster and faster. Oh, it sounds like we're talking out. Okay, well that was enough for a first test. Let's see, we can do reverse here by switching this pin to positive. See, I've got a little switch, but it doesn't fit very well on the board, so I don't have it set up. And this is reverse. Okay, well, it's noisy as hell. FOC. I can't remember what FOC stands for, but it is changing the, adjusting the field rotation as the motor increases in speed or slower, it goes slower in speed, I don't know. But of course I don't incorporate any of that. That's some fancy programming, I think. Sounds like a dentist drill, doesn't it? Again, like I said, no smoke. I need to connect a little amp meter. Oh, smoking. We got smoke. I don't see where it's coming from. If it's the transistors. Yep, transistors are hot as hell. Yeah. Yeah, that one's hot. Okay, so yeah, I need to hook up the amp meter and see what kind of current I'm drawing. The motor's cool as a cucumber. But yeah, it seems like I must have smoked a transistor. They're hot as hell. Okay, well, it was still running when I turned it off, so who knows, it may still run. I'll give it a few minutes to cool down. But yeah, pretty exciting. That was the most voltage I've used so far. Oh, let me see. What did I say, 20 volts? Yeah, but it could have been drawing a lot more current than it should have been. So anyway, that was fun.